This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, we'll show you exactly how dried pineapple is made, step by step, from fresh fruit.
Modern food factories are designed for efficiency, safety, and consistency. Inside this facility, every process is carefully organized, from raw material handling to dehydration, packaging, and quality control. Advanced automation, digital monitoring, and trained professionals work together to transform fresh pineapples into delicious dried snacks.
The process begins at the loading dock, where fresh pineapples arrive daily in large, carefully stacked crates. These pineapples are sourced directly from trusted, quality-certified farms known for producing fruit with rich flavor and optimal ripeness. Immediately after harvest, the pineapples are transported under controlled conditions to preserve their natural sweetness, texture, and aroma. Upon arrival at the facility, each shipment is logged, inspected, and prepared for processing, ensuring that only the freshest and highest quality fruit enters the production line. This careful handling.
Each pineapple is carefully inspected by trained workers as it moves along the inspection line. Using their experience and keen attention to detail, they examine every fruit for proper size, ideal ripeness, vibrant color, and overall physical condition. Any pineapple showing signs of damage, overripeness, or imperfections are immediately removed from the line. Only pineapples that meet strict quality standards are approved to move forward in the drying process.
Before processing, the pineapples are thoroughly washed using automated cleaning systems. High-pressure water sprays remove dirt, debris, and surface contaminants, ensuring the fruit meets strict hygiene standards. Food-grade sanitizing rinses are also applied to eliminate bacteria and microorganisms from the surface of the fruit. After washing, the pineapples move forward on conveyor belts, clean, safe, and fully prepared for the next stage of processing.
Once cleaned, the pineapples enter automated peeling and slicing machines. These machines efficiently remove the tough outer skin and central core, then slice the fruit into perfectly uniform rings or bite-sized pieces. Precision slicing is essential for even drying and consistent texture throughout the product. Advanced sensors and calibrated blades ensure each slice maintains the same thickness. This uniformity allows the pineapples to dry evenly, preserving flavor, color, and quality in every batch.
Once cleaned, the pineapples enter automated peeling and slicing machines. These advanced machines efficiently remove the outer skin and tough core, then slice the fruit into perfectly uniform rings or precise pieces. Sensors and calibrated blades ensure consistent thickness in every slice. Precision slicing is essential for even drying, balanced moisture removal, and a consistent texture in the final dried pineapple product.
These trays are carefully loaded into massive industrial dehydration chambers designed for precise moisture control. Inside these chambers, warm, filtered air circulates continuously at controlled temperatures and airflow levels, slowly drawing moisture out of the pineapple slices without damaging their structure. This gentle, time-controlled drying process preserves the fruit's natural sweetness, vibrant color, and rich tropical aroma.
In the control room, technicians monitor temperature, humidity, and airflow in real time. Digital systems ensure every parameter remains within precise limits throughout the drying cycle.
Automated conveyor systems smoothly transport the trays through fully sealed processing environments, ensuring strict hygiene at every stage.
These enclosed systems minimize direct human contact, reducing the risk of contamination and maintaining consistent sanitary conditions. Sensors continuously monitor temperature, airflow, and timing as the trays move through the line. This high level of automation not only improves efficiency, but also guarantees product safety.
Robotic systems carefully and gently flip and reposition each pineapple slice throughout the drying process. Using advanced sensors and programmed movements, these automated arms ensure that every piece is exposed evenly to warm airflow on all sides. This precise handling prevents uneven drying, burning, or moisture retention. By relying on automation,
after hours of carefully controlled dehydration, the pineapple slices slowly emerge from the chambers, transformed in color and texture. The excess moisture has been gently removed, leaving the slices golden, fragrant, and naturally sweet. Their chewy yet tender texture reflects the precision of temperature, airflow, and timing used throughout the process. At this stage, the dried pineapple slices meet strict quality standards. The dried pineapple slices are transferred to the portioning line, where advanced high-speed machines accurately measure and separate precise quantities for each individual package. Sophisticated weighing sensors ensure that every portion meets strict weight and quality standards. This automated portioning process guarantees consistency, reduces waste, and ensures that each package delivers the same premium experience to the consumer, batch after batch. Each portion is vacuum sealed using advanced packaging technology designed to remove excess air from inside the package. This airtight sealing process helps lock in the pineapple's natural flavor, texture, and aroma while preventing moisture and oxygen from causing spoilage. By eliminating air, the product maintains its freshness and quality for an extended shelf life, all without the need for artificial preservatives or additives. This final sealing step ensures that consumers receive a clean, safe. Automated labeling machines precisely apply product information, branding details, nutritional facts, and batch identification codes to every package. Each label is carefully aligned and securely attached to ensure clarity, durability, and a polished final appearance. Batch codes and production dates allow full traceability, making it possible to track each package back to its exact production run.
Across the packaging floor, hundreds of packs move in perfect synchronization along high-speed conveyor belts. Advanced automation systems coordinate every movement with precision, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted flow from one station to the next. Robotic arms, sensors, and scanners work together in harmony, creating a seamless blend of technology and efficiency that allows the factory to operate at maximum speed while maintaining consistent quality. Before shipment, every package undergoes strict and detailed quality inspection to ensure it meets the company's highest standards. Trained workers carefully examine each pack for proper sealing integrity, making sure there are no leaks or defects that could affect freshness. Labeling accuracy is also verified, including product details, batch numbers, and expiration dates, ensuring full traceability and regulatory compliance.
Approved products are carefully packed into sturdy, food-grade cartons designed to protect the dried pineapple during transport. Each carton is securely sealed, labeled, and organized according to destination and batch number for efficient logistics management. Once packed, the cartons are transferred to the loading area and systematically loaded onto delivery trucks. From here, the finished products begin their journey to wholesalers, retailers, and consumers across the globe. As the day comes to an end, the factory continues its mission without pause, operating with precision, discipline, and dedication. Behind the scenes, advanced technology and skilled workers work together to ensure every batch meets the highest standards of safety and quality. From sourcing fresh fruit to delivering the final packaged product, every step reflects a commitment to excellence. With each shipment sent out, the factory fulfills its promise of delivering safe, flavorful, and premium dried pineapple to consumers around the world, day after day.
And that's how dried pineapple is made. There will be from start to finish.